All right, Ron, that last video you posted is really blowing up. You said to buy houses as if you're broke. That works for some people, they said. Other people think that you've lost it. You're going senile. Some people called you a boomer.
Yeah, well, I am. And I mean, I'm old, but I am definitely not senile, at least not yet. And frankly, I've been buying houses without my money for 42 years now. I think it works by now, thousands of houses. But I also understand how hard it is to believe if you really aren't inside of our world. I didn't believe it either until I went to my first seminar back in 1982. I knew it was a scam. I knew there's no way you could buy property without money or without your credit. And the truth is, using your credit is the last thing I want you to do. That's where you get yourself in trouble. That's a dangerous thing to go guarantee debt to buy houses, and I forbid it on Planet Ron. Now, as far as the money goes, it's also true that most houses, you put up a big down payment and you go to the bank and you borrow the money. That's the traditional wisdom way of buying real estate, but that's not how we operate on Planet Ron. For example, suppose I wanted to find a junker that needs rehab. I get a contract on that junker at a deeply discounted price because it needs rehabbed. And now I decide I want to wholesale that junker. All I do is run an ad and tell all the rehabbers out there what I got and what it will take for them to buy it. And believe me, I'm in and I'm out in a matter of a couple of weeks. I never take title to the property. I don't have any closing costs, and I just get a check for the difference. And the minimum check I'm going to mess with is $20,000. You don't need money to wholesale a house. A kid could wholesale a house. You just need a little bit of training and some action behind it. And even in the terms business, a great number of the times when we buy these houses on terms, we buy them with nothing down because we've learned how to ask the question to get the answer, and the seller says, okay. Certainly not all of them. So if I'm buying a house with nothing down, how much money do I need? Nothing. Okay, no credit, no loan, no complication, and no risk on my part. So trust me when I tell you I've got an awful lot of people out there who have become multimillionaires after they learn how to buy houses without money and without credit. And as far as I'm concerned, that's the only way to buy them. Avoid the risk in your life and you'll sleep better at night.
All right, Ron, we put a training link in your bio there. Mm-hmm. So if you guys want to learn more, we have a much more extensive training on this for free. It's about 90 minutes long. Go check it out.